Welcome back to another episode of MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today we're talking about top manufacturing ERP systems, best software solutions for 2025. What is an ERP system? An enterprise resource planning system, or ERP, is business software that unifies all core operations into a single digital ecosystem. Typical modules include customer relationship management, purchasing and inventory, supply chain management, HR, project management, accounting, and more. ERP integrate these functions and keep data synchronized in real time. For instance, when an online order is placed, the ERP automatically updates inventory, production, and accounting modules simultaneously. ERP systems first appeared in the 1990s, serving mainly large enterprises with complex on-premise installations costing millions. Today, modern cloud-based ERP systems are far more accessible. They're faster to implement, easier to use, and affordable for small and medium-sized manufacturers. Are all ERPs suitable for manufacturers? Not necessarily. Manufacturing ERP software is built specifically for companies that produce or distribute physical goods. Unlike generic ERP systems, manufacturing versions include features such as production planning and scheduling, advanced bill of materials management, demand forecasting, shop floor tracking, and quality control and traceability. In short, they combine the classic MRP system, or manufacturing resource planning, with broader business functionality like CRM, HR, and accounting. ERP systems versus MRP systems. An MRP system focuses on production efficiency, planning material requirements, scheduling manufacturing orders, and managing inventory. A manufacturing ERP goes further. It adds everything from finance to sales and workforce management, tying together the entire company. So if MRP is the production engine, ERP is the full vehicle, driving the entire business in sync. The benefits of manufacturing ERP systems. Let's look at what makes these systems so valuable for manufacturers. 1. Fully integrated production management. A manufacturing ERP connects production, inventory, CRM, accounting, and HR into one platform. This reduces data entry, prevents errors, and improves efficiency. 2. Data-driven decision-making. With all key information in one place, managers can spot trends, analyze costs, and make faster, more informed decisions. 3. Better planning and forecasting. Automation helps predict demand, plan materials, and balance workloads, avoiding both stockouts and overproduction. The top 6 manufacturing ERP systems for 2025. The ERP market has exploded in recent years, with hundreds of providers now serving small and mid-sized manufacturers. Here are 6 of the top choices for 2025, each with a distinct strength. Best for growing small manufacturers, MRP Easy. MRP Easy is a cloud-based ERP built specifically for small and medium-sized manufacturers, typically those with up to 200 employees. At its core lies a powerful MRP engine that's been refined for more than a decade. It supports make-to-stock, make-to-order, and engineer-to-order workflows. Key features include one-click cost and lead time estimation, automatic purchase and manufacturing order creation, advanced bill of materials management, dynamic production scheduling, and full inventory traceability. MRP Easy also offers a built-in manufacturing execution system, CRM, workforce management, B2B portals, quality control, and advanced tools like product configurators and return material authorizations. Integrations include Xero, QuickBooks, Shopify, WooCommerce, ShipStation, Salesforce, Pipedrive, and Zapier. The platform is offered in 4 editions: Starter, Professional, Enterprise, and Ultimate, with prices starting at $49 per user per month. It scales easily, and additional users are available at discounted rates beyond the first 10. MRP Easy is designed for self-service setup with comprehensive guides, videos, and responsive support. Customers highlight its ease of use, quick implementation, and excellent balance of functionality and value. Most companies are fully operational within a few weeks. Best for integrated workflows. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is the modern cloud-based version of Microsoft NAV designed for small and medium enterprises. It covers everything from accounting and HR to CRM and supply chain management, and connects seamlessly with Microsoft's Power Platform, Teams, and Outlook. While it's flexible and highly customizable, it also requires setup through certified Microsoft partners, often adding tens of thousands of dollars in implementation costs. Pricing starts at $70 per user per month for the Essentials plan and $100 for the Premium plan with full manufacturing features. Customers praise its integration with Microsoft tools, but note a steep learning curve and variable support quality. Best for omni-channel inventory management, SIN 7. SIN 7 is a cloud-based ERP that excels in inventory and warehouse management across multiple channels. It's ideal for manufacturers and distributors handling e-commerce, retail, and wholesale operations. SIN 7 offers real-time visibility across warehouses, vendor management, and fulfillment tracking, along with a basic production module. Pricing starts at $349 per month, rising with order volume and automation needs. Customers appreciate its strong inventory control and integrations, though some find it expensive and challenging to set up for complex manufacturing. Best for multi-location operations, Acumatica Cloud ERP. Acumatica offers a broad cloud ERP platform suitable for most business sizes, except micro or global enterprises. It includes strong project management, CRM, and cost control tools, with a dedicated manufacturing edition covering MRP, bill of materials, and production scheduling. Its consumption-based pricing allows unlimited users, ideal for organizations with many departments. However, its flexibility brings complexity. Implementation often requires outside support, and costs can exceed $50,000 for small and mid-sized companies. Users praise its customization options, but mention a steep learning curve and reliance on external partners. Best for industry-specific requirements, Aptean ERP. Aptean delivers tailored ERP systems for specialized industries like food and beverage, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Its systems include advanced functionality for compliance, traceability, and multi-site operations, with either cloud or on-premise deployment. However, these robust features come with a high price. Implementations typically range from $75,000 to $250,000, with ongoing monthly costs in the low thousands. Customers value its deep industry specialization, though they cite dated interfaces and expensive maintenance. Best on-premise ERP, SAP Business One. SAP Business One serves small and mid-sized manufacturers with complex needs. It covers accounting, procurement, production planning, quality control, and more. Though available in the cloud, it performs best as an on-premise deployment, offering high customization and security. Setup, however, can be time-consuming and costly, often reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. Users highlight its power and flexibility, but also note high costs, a steep learning curve, and slow ROI for smaller firms. What to look for in a manufacturing ERP. Before adopting an ERP, consider 4 key points. 1. Scalability. Choose software that grows with your business, supporting more users, data, and workflows over time. 2. Manufacturing depth. Decide if you need only basic production management or advanced automation and IoT integrations. 3rd, return on investment. Look for measurable improvements. Faster order fulfillment, reduced lead times, lower inventory costs, and better visibility. 4. Expense planning. Remember that costs extend beyond user licenses, include setup, training, maintenance, and support in your budget. Final thoughts. Manufacturing ERP systems are no longer the exclusive domain of global corporations. Today, small and medium manufacturers can access powerful, cloud-based solutions that deliver full visibility, control, and growth potential, all within realistic budgets. Choosing the right ERP isn't just about features or price. It's about finding the system that fits your processes, your people, and your pace of growth. That wraps up this episode of the MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Thanks for tuning in. For more information about us, visit mrpeasy.com. See you next time.